Okay, we're at Largo, Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. We got this kind of cool stuff, and that kind of cool stuff, and that kind of stuff over there, and all this other stuff too we're gonna check out as well. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're in this Taipa area. We're not too far from a place called Taipa Village. This is kind of the main road right here, but this is the plaza that we're gonna focus on. The Largo is a square, a town square, I guess. Soda Bingsat. Let's kind of take a look in here. It's a nice Saturday. And I think what I'll do is I'll just kind of briefly walk into here a little bit. Show you, that's kind of cool up there. You can see up there, there's there's a little temple up there. There's a giant rock and some things up there. I think that comes maybe from here. There's a temple right here, right where that little circle is at, and this is kind of a Chinese restaurant kind of bar kind of thing. Look at that beauty. Yeah, then this blue building right here has this nice little balcony. Nice color next to this blue building. And then in here you have all these little alleys everywhere. This is called Taipa Village. Always nice to explore in here, but I think today, or this particular video, we're going to focus on this square. The best way to focus on this square is to walk through it. Right over there is Curry Monster. They have some Japanese food. It's really cheap. I just had beef and rice for 39 mop, which is $5. It's about the same price as raspberries or strawberries at the restaurant, at the store, I mean, grocery store. Little plaza in there. We're just gonna kind of go through the main area here. Got some nice benches here. It's hot, it's like 12:30 in the afternoon right now. So you got a cafe here. Nice murals like that mural right there. Delivery, food delivery? Yeah, I guess so. I guess you got food delivery right there. And then we're kind of on this main street right here as well. So there we go. Come in here a little bit. Got a nice temple as well. So yeah, it's a really nice temple. Then it opens up this other little plaza right here as well. Got this little space in here. So okay, that's old OTT, Old Taipa Tavern. And then this is our spot that we just focus on right there. So let's just highlight that one and then we'll end this video. Nice day today too. And it's kind of a main street right here through Taipa Village area. And down there was where we started at, down that way. So let's end it right there.